Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on evilstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition one digit, and the lessons we're going to cover today are adding using blocks, add doubles, complete the sentences, addition word problems one digit, complete the addition sentence one digit. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is adding using blocks. So let's see, we are already working on a chapter. Let's see what type of blocks there you are going to use to add them. Okay, so basic thing is you have to add, right? For example, you are given with the blocks, this is the blocks, you have to add, right? So how do you add? You have to count them collectively, right? So when you count them collectively, they are, you need to count them collectively, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So when you count them together, there are 7 blocks, right? So basic thing is you know how to add, right? So you just have to count them all together. So they are 7 blocks, right? So there are 7 blocks. Let's just start with the practice questions. Count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of the two equal groups. So which is the correct option? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So count, adding means you have to count them all together, right? So when you count them all together, they are 8. The correct option is 8, right? If you already know the answers, you can please write down the answers in the chat box. Okay, count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of the two equal groups. So which is the correct option? 1 plus 1 makes. The correct option is 1 plus 1 makes 2, right? You have to add. So when you count them together, 1 plus 1 makes 2. The correct option is 2. Okay, count the blocks, then complete the addition sentences to show the sum of the two equal groups. So which is the correct option? Yes, when you count them all together, 2 plus 2 makes 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of two equal groups. So just count them all together. 9 plus 9 makes. Yes, that would be 18. So 9 plus 9 makes 18. The correct option is 18. Okay, count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of two equal groups. Okay, 7 plus 7 equals. So you are given two groups, right? The groups have same number of blocks, right? So 7 plus 7 makes, you need to count them all together. So 7 plus 7 makes, which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 14. 7 plus 7 makes 14. Okay, the next one is count the blocks, then complete the addition sentence to show the sum of two equal groups. You have to add 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6 makes. You have to count them together, right? So when you count them together, 6 plus 6 makes, very good, that would be 12. Okay, the next one is count the blocks. 5 plus 5. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, very good. The correct option is 5 plus 5 makes 10. Very good. The next one is 3 plus 3, which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 plus 3 makes 6. Very good. The correct option is 6. Okay, the next one is 8 plus 8. So which is the correct option? The correct option is 8 plus 8 makes. Very good. That would be 16. The next one is 4 plus 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is 4 plus 4 makes 8. The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to the next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is the next lesson is add doubles, complete the sentence. Doubles means you have to add the same number, right? Like we just did. We are adding two numbers that are exactly same, right? Like we did 4 plus 4, right? You are adding same numbers. So 4 plus 4 makes 8. Now you're given the sum, right? For example, you're given 18. You have to find the numbers, the two same numbers that when you add makes 18, right? So how do you find the number? Hold on. So just look at the 18. 18 is an even number, right? That means it is easily divisible by 2. So when you divide 18 by 2, that would be 9. That means 9 plus 9 makes 18, right? You can see if the number is even, that means that you can add, the numbers are doubles. You can add the same numbers, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. Even number means the number that is divisible by 2. Write an addition sentence that shows 18 as a sum of two equal whole numbers. Here you are given with the options. You can just add the options and you can see which is the correct one, right? So which is the correct option? 18 equals, which option is the correct one? You can start adding the options, right? 9 plus 9 equals 18, 8 plus 8 equals 16, and 7 plus 7 equals 14. When you're adding the doubles, the sum is always an even number. You can see 18 is even, 16 is even, 14 is even, right? The correct option is 8. 9 plus 9 makes 18, so the correct option is 9 plus 9. Got it? Okay, write an addition sentence that shows 16 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which is the correct option? Which doubles when you add makes 16? Which is the correct option? you need to make 16. That would be 8 plus 8 makes 16, right? The correct option is 8 plus 8 makes 16. That would be the last option, right? The next one is write an addition sentence that shows 4 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which is the correct option? How do you write 4? You can write 4 as 2 plus 2, right? The correct option is yes, that would be 2 plus 2. Okay, the next one is write an addition sentence that shows 12 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which is the correct option? You need to make 12. Which is the correct option? 12 equals that equals 6 plus 6. The correct option is option number 2. 6 plus 6 makes 12, right? Write an addition sentence that shows 2 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. Which is the correct option? 2 equals 2 equals 1 plus 1. The correct option is 1 plus 1. Write an addition sentence that shows 6 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. Which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? 6 equals very good. That would be 3 plus 3. Write an addition sentence that shows 14 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. Which is the correct option? You have to write 14 as two equal numbers, right? That is 7 plus 7. The correct option is 7 plus 7. You are already done with what? That is 7 plus 7. Write an addition sentence that shows 10 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. Which is the correct option? 10 equals the correct option is 5 plus 5, right? 5 plus 5 makes 10. Okay, we are done with the lesson. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is addition word problems, one digit, right? So let's just start with the word problems. You just have to understand the question. Basic thing is understanding the statement because you already know how to add, right? You have to count the numbers all together, right? So the let's just start with the first example. The Doodley family has 7 ounces of cherry jelly. They also have 8 ounces of grape jelly. Overall, how many ounces of jelly do they have? So you have the 7 ounces of cherry jelly and 8 ounces of the grapes jelly. You have to count them together, 7 plus 8, right? So you can add anyway, start with 7 and count 8 more digits. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? No, 7. You have to add 8. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, not 16. You are done with 8 digits here. So 7 plus 8 equals 15. That means in total they have 15 ounces of cherry. The correct option is 15. Reagan had 5 letters. Then 3 more came into the in the mail. How many letters does Reagan have now? Which is the correct option? You have to add, right? He already have 5 letters. 3 more came in the mail. You have to add 5 plus 3 makes 5 plus 3 makes, which is the correct option. Very good. That would be 8. Okay, Tammy had 5 books in her backpack to take to school. She didn't put 8 more books in her backpack. How many books did she take to school in her backpack? Right? You have to earlier she had 5 books. Now she added 8 more, right? So you have to add 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 equals, start with 5 and count forward 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 8 plus 5 makes 13. The correct option is 13, right? That is 13. Okay, to fill an order, the factory dyed 4 yards of silk green and 6 yards yellow. How many yards of silk did it dye for that order? So, which is the correct option? You have to add them together. 4 plus 6 makes, the correct option is 4 plus 6 makes 10. The correct option is 10. During a birthday party, Mr. and Mrs. Griffith ate 2 cupcakes. Their children ate 8 cupcakes. How many cupcakes did the whole family eat? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is You have to add 2 and 8. They ate 2 cupcakes and their children ate 8 cupcakes. So you need to add 2 plus 8. So 2 plus 8 equals, the correct option is 10, right? 2 plus 8 makes 10. So the correct option is 10. Write an addition sentence that shows 2 as a sum of two equal whole numbers. Okay, so you have to write down 2 as a sum of two equal whole numbers, right? So which option is the correct one? You're given three of the options: 2 plus 0, 0 plus 2, and 1 plus 1. So which option is the correct one? You have to write answer into two equal whole numbers. So the equal must be 1 plus 1, right? Both the numbers are exactly equal. So it is 1 plus 1. Okay, the next one is write an addition sentence that shows 14 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which option is the correct one? You have to write the answer as two equal whole numbers, right? So the two equal whole numbers are 7 plus 7, right? The correct option is option number 1. That would be 7 plus 7. The next one is write an addition sentence that shows 10 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which two equal numbers shows the sum 10? That would be 5 plus 5. They are two equal numbers, right? That shows 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. Which is the correct option? Write an addition sentence that shows 18 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So 18 equals, the correct option is 9 plus 9 are the two equal numbers that makes 18, right? So the correct option is 9 plus 9. Very good. Write an addition sentence that shows 20 as the sum of two equal whole numbers. So which is the correct option? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is very good. 10 plus 10 is the correct option, right? Okay, we are done with the lesson. You can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson, right? The next lesson is complete the addition sentences one digit. So now you are given with the sentences, but one of the number is missing, right? You have to find the missing number, right? So for example, you are given 3 plus the missing number equals 5, right? You are given one of the number and you have to find the other one. So how do you find the other one? You you can find the missing number by either using addition facts, right? Here you have 5 and here you have 3. You can subtract this 5 out of 3, right? This 3 out of 5. 5 take away 3 is 2. That means if you add 3 and 2 together, they makes 5, right? You can use addition fact or either you can think of the number, right? Let's just do another example. 7 plus the missing number equals 11. So which number is missing? The other way, the easy way is start with 7 and count until 11, right? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means that must be 4. 7 plus 4 equals 11. That is easier way. If you do not remember the addition fact, then you can go for the counting. For other example is 9 plus missing number makes 13. So start with 9 and count until 13. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That means 9 plus 4 makes 13. That is an easier way, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. 9 plus missing number equals 14, which is the correct option. 9 plus what number makes 14? Start with 9 and count till 14, right? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 plus 5 makes 14. The correct option is 5, right? Okay, fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. 0 plus 6 makes 6, right? Fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. 8 plus the missing number equals 10. So which number is missing? 8 plus Which is the correct option? 8 plus the missing number equals 10. Yes, it is. 8 plus 2 makes 10. The correct option is 2. Very good. Fill in the missing number. 3 plus missing number equals 5. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 3 plus 2 makes 5. So the correct option is 2. 3 plus 2 makes 5. So which is the correct option? Fill in the missing number. The missing number plus 9 equals 10. Which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 plus 1 makes 10. Very good. The correct option is 9 plus 1 makes 10. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 2 math. Chapter we're working on is addition one digit. The lessons we have covered today are adding using blocks, add doubles, complete the sentences, addition word problems one digit, and complete the addition sentences one digit, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question, you can please ask. No questions? No questions? Yes, we'll cover the same chapter in the next time. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.